In this guide, I'm going to show you how to buy GTA 6 on PlayStation Store for PS5. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the PlayStation Store on your PS5, your phone, or your computer. Just make sure you're signed into the same PlayStation account that you want to use on your PS5. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If GTA 6 is on the main store page right here, you need to go ahead and just scroll down and select it from here. If not, just go ahead and search for it to find it faster, but simply open it up, and once you do that, you're going to see two different editions on here. You're going to see the Ultimate Edition, and you're also going to see the Standard Edition. Go ahead and choose whatever edition you want, but just keep in mind that the Ultimate Edition usually will come with extra content like vehicles, weapons, events, and other bonuses. If you buy the Standard Edition first, that is completely okay. It is a little bit cheaper right now, and you can always upgrade later as well. But go ahead and just choose the edition, hit purchase, and then of course you can go ahead and purchase it from here. The process really is as simple as that, and then from here you just go to your PS5, sign into the same account, which of course I'm already on right now, and then of course you can go ahead and see it as purchased, pre-ordered, and you'll be able to download it as soon as it becomes available. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.